I got the job. Finally. My hands shook when I opened the email. I screamed. I jumped. I was so happy. The salary was amazing. More money than I ever had before. I couldn't believe it. I started working the next Monday. The office was big and beautiful. Everything was perfect. My first paycheck came. I looked at the number on my phone. So much money. I smiled. I felt rich. I went shopping that same day. New clothes, new shoes, new bags. I bought everything I wanted. It felt so good. The next weekend, I had an idea. A party. I wanted to celebrate my new life. I invited everyone, my neighbors, my coworkers, people I just met. I ordered expensive food. I bought fancy drinks. My apartment was full of people.
You're amazing,
Someone said.
Can I come to your next party?
They asked. I smiled. I felt special. Everyone liked me. Every month, I threw another party. I bought new furniture. I went to expensive restaurants. I never looked at my bank account. I just spent and spent. My friend Sarah called me one day.
Can we talk?
She asked. Sure, come over, I said. Sarah came to my apartment. She looked worried.
I need to tell you something.
She said.
You're spending too much money. You need to save some.
I laughed. Sarah, I have a great job. I make good money.
But what if something happens?
She asked. I felt angry. Nothing will happen. Sarah looked sad.
I'm just worried about you.
You're jealous, I said. The words came out fast. You're jealous because people like me, because I have parties and friends. Sarah's face turned red. She stood up.
I'm not jealous. I'm your real friend, but you don't want to listen.
She left. I didn't call her back. I thought she was wrong. The parties continued. More people came. More compliments. More fun. Then one Tuesday morning, everything changed. I was at work. I made a mistake. A big mistake. I sent the wrong file to a client. The file had private information, important information. My boss called me to his office. His face was red. He was angry.
This mistake cost us a lot of money,
He said.
The client is leaving. We lost everything.
My heart stopped. I'm so sorry. I can fix it. Please,
You're fired.
he said.
Leave today.
I couldn't breathe. I packed my things. I left the building. I cried all the way home. I checked my bank account that night. Almost empty. I had no savings, nothing. The next month, I couldn't pay my rent. The landlord knocked on my door.
You need to leave.
He said. I had nowhere to go. I found a dormitory. It was cheap, very cheap. I shared a small room with 3 other women, 4 beds, 1 small window, no privacy. It was so hard. I cried every night. I needed help. I called my friends, all those people from my parties. Hi, remember me? I need some help. Can you?
Sorry, I'm busy.
They said. Click. I called another person. Hello? I lost my job. Can you?
I can't help you. Bye.
Click. Nobody helped me. Nobody cared. I looked for jobs every day. I sent applications. I went to interviews. Nothing worked. 3 months passed. I was desperate. I had a little money from my last paycheck. I bought simple food: rice, vegetables, chicken. I cooked in the dormitory kitchen. The smell filled the hallway. A woman walked in.
What are you cooking? It smells so good.
Just simple food, I said.
Can I try some?
She asked. I gave her a plate. She ate it. Her eyes got big.
This is delicious.
She said.
Can you make this for me tomorrow? I'll pay you.
Really? I asked.
Yes, please.
The next day, I cooked for her. She paid me. She told her friends. More people came.
Can you cook for me too?
They asked. I cooked every day. I made a little money, but not enough for rent. I was still stuck in that small room, still sharing with 3 other people. One evening, someone knocked on my door. I opened the door. I froze. It was Sarah. I started crying. I couldn't stop. I hugged her so tight. I'm so sorry, I said. I was so wrong. I called you jealous. I was stupid. Sarah hugged me back.
I heard what happened. I came as soon as I could.
She took me to her house. It was small. It was old, but it was warm. She gave me food. She gave me clean clothes. She let me sleep in a real bed. Thank you, I whispered. Thank you so much. The next day, my phone rang. It was someone from the dormitory.
Can you bring me food today? I'll pay extra.
I looked at Sarah. I've been cooking for people. Can I cook here?
Of course.
Sarah said.
Use my kitchen.
I started cooking again. More orders came. People from other dormitories called me. I worked hard every day. I cooked. I delivered food. But this time was different. This time, I saved money. Every dollar I didn't need, I saved. Weeks passed, then months. My business grew. One day, I counted my savings. I had enough. Enough for rent. I found a small apartment. I moved in. I had my own space again. But my life was different now. I didn't throw parties. I didn't waste money. I saved for emergencies. And Sarah? She became my business partner. We cooked together. We delivered together. Thank you for being a real friend, I told her one day. She smiled.
Real friends tell you the truth, even when it's hard to hear.
I learned my lesson. Money can disappear. Jobs can end. But real friends, they stay. Can money buy friendship? For more stories, subscribe to the channel. Lesson of the day, compliment. A compliment is something nice you say about someone or something. Examples from the story. I finally understood what was truly valuable. Not parties, not compliments, but real friendship and smart choices. More examples. She gave me a compliment on my dress. Everyone likes to hear a compliment sometimes.